This is a story for the kids who don't go to sleep. Hey kid, it's late. Are you still up? Still not going to bed? Well, the sleepless monster Carl will catch you if you're still up. The sleepless monster catches kids that don't go to sleep. So you want to be careful. You don't want to be caught. He can only go back to his home if he catches a kid who did not go to sleep. It's been a very long time since Carl was able to go home. He misses his home. How did he become a sleepless monster? Well, once upon a time, Carl was just like you. He lived with a happy family, a sweet home. He stayed up and didn't want to go to bed. He just kept playing and didn't want to go to bed. It's 9 o'clock. Carl is still up. He's not going to bed. It's 10 o'clock. Carl is still up, still not going to bed. It's 11 o'clock. Carl is still up. He still won't go to bed. And the sleepless monster came and caught Carl. And guess what? That's how Carl became the new sleepless monster. Because once the old sleepless monster caught Carl, he was able to go home. So now the new sleepless monster will be looking for the next kid. Are you going to sleep? Happy Halloween! Send me a comment below to let me know if you like today's story and if you'd like to hear more stories like this. Check out my tutorial on Halloween vocabulary in Chinese. Please do subscribe to the channel, hit like, and get notifications so you will not miss the next lesson. Halloween story, I can speak Chinese. Until next time.